Most people assume no annual fee travel cards are automatically weak. And honestly, that's usually true. A lot of them offer tiny rewards, limited perks, and almost no long-term value. But the Wyndham Earner Card is different in one important way that most people completely overlook. Here's the truth no one tells you. For the right type of traveler, this card can quietly outperform more expensive travel cards, without charging an annual fee at all. In this video, I'll break down whether the Wyndham Earner Card is actually worth it in 2026, who benefits the most from it, where people waste value, and the one type of traveler that should probably avoid it completely. And later, I'll show you the simplest way to decide if this card belongs in your wallet in less than 60 seconds. So let's get straight into it. The biggest reason people consider the Wyndham Earner Card is obvious. No annual fee. That means you can keep the card long-term without paying just to hold it. And psychologically, that matters more than people admit. A lot of travel cards create pressure. You constantly feel like you need to justify the fee through travel, perks, or spending. But with a no-fee card, that pressure disappears completely. Now, that alone doesn't make the card valuable. The real question is, what are you actually getting in return? And this is where things get interesting. The Wyndham Earner Card still offers meaningful rewards in categories many people use every week. Guest, dining, Wyndham Hotel, stays. That combination is important because it matches real-world spending habits for average travelers, especially road travelers. Now imagine someone named Jake who drives frequently for work and occasionally stays at Wyndham hotels during road trips or weekend travel. Instead of using a generic cashback card for everything, Jake uses the Wyndham Earner Card for gas purchases and hotel bookings. Over time, he slowly builds Wyndham points without changing his normal spending habits. That's the key. Good travel reward systems work best when they fit naturally into your lifestyle. But here's the problem. Most people compare this card against premium travel cards with airport lounges and luxury hotel perks. That's the wrong comparison entirely. The Wyndham Earner Card is designed for practical travelers, not luxury travelers. And once you understand that, the value becomes much clearer. Now here's where most people fail. They only focus on earning points and ignore redemption strategy. This matters a lot. Because Wyndham points can either feel surprisingly valuable or disappointingly average depending on how you use them. For example, redeeming points during cheap hotel periods often gives weak value. But using those same points during holiday weekends, peak travel seasons, or expensive last-minute bookings can create significant savings. And this is where the no annual fee structure becomes powerful. You're essentially building future travel discounts without paying to participate in the ecosystem. Now in a minute, I'll show you the one hidden advantage that makes this card much stronger than people expect. But first, let's address another important point. The Wyndham Earner Card also includes Wyndham Platinum status. Now, some viewers hear hotel status and immediately think it's marketing hype. But it actually does provide practical value for regular Wyndham users. You can receive bonus point earnings on stays, occasional preferred rooms, and other smaller travel conveniences. No, it's not luxury suite treatment. But that's not the point. The value comes from consistent small benefits that improve travel over time. And because the card has no annual fee, even modest perks feel easier to justify. Now here's where it gets interesting. The card can quietly become extremely effective for road trip-focused travelers. Think about how many Wyndham brands exist across highways and smaller cities. Days Inn. 2. Super 8. La Quinta. Microtel. Dea. Wyndham Garden. Wyndham's footprint is massive. That means people traveling domestically often encounter Wyndham properties constantly, without even realizing it. And this is why the ecosystem works surprisingly well for practical travel. Now let's talk about earning speed. A lot of no-fee travel cards earn rewards painfully slowly. That's one area where the Wyndham Earner Card performs better than many people expect, especially in gas spending categories. This matters because gas is a recurring expense that many people already pay every single week. So instead of chasing complicated reward systems, you're converting unavoidable spending into future travel. And honestly, That simplicity is underrated. But here's the caution. The card only makes sense if you actually use Wyndham hotels at least occasionally. This is critical. If you strongly prefer Marriott, Hyatt, or Hilton properties and rarely touch Wyndham hotels, the rewards become harder to maximize. Travel rewards only work efficiently when your spending ecosystem matches your travel ecosystem. And this is where most beginners make mistakes. They apply for cards based on hype instead of behavior. Now let's discuss another hidden strength. No annual fee cards are easier to keep long-term. That matters for your credit history. Many people eventually downgrade or cancel premium cards once annual fees stop feeling worthwhile. But no-fee cards are much easier to leave open for years. And long account history can help your overall credit profile over time. Now here's where it gets more interesting. The Wyndham Earner card can work surprisingly well as a secondary travel card. Even if someone already owns a premium travel card, the Wyndham card's gas rewards and no-fee structure can complement a broader setup. For example, Alex uses a premium card for flights and luxury travel, but keeps the Wyndham Earner card specifically for road trips and gas spending. That's actually a very smart setup for some travelers. Because different cards solve different problems. Now let's talk about the mistake that destroys value. Overspending for points. This happens constantly. People get excited about rewards and start spending unnecessarily just to earn points faster. That completely defeats the purpose. The smartest users simply redirect spending they already plan to make. Gas, diet, dining, DUI, travel. Nothing extra. That's how travel rewards become profitable instead of dangerous. Now here's the hidden advantage I mentioned earlier. The best thing about the Wyndham Earner card is flexibility without commitment. You're earning travel rewards, building status, and accumulating points without paying annual maintenance costs. That creates very low downside risk. Even if your travel slows down temporarily, the card still costs nothing to keep. And psychologically, that makes the card easier to use consistently over time. Now let's answer the biggest question directly. Is the Wyndham Earner card worth it with no annual fee? For many practical travelers, yes. Especially if you drive frequently, take road trips, stay at Wyndham hotels occasionally, or on simple travel rewards without complexity. But this is where most people fail again. They expect luxury card experiences from a no-fee product. That's unrealistic. This card succeeds because it focuses on practical value, not flashy perks. And, honestly, practical value often saves more money long-term. Now, before we finish, let's do the 60-second shortcut test. If you regularly spend money on gas, occasionally stay at Wyndham hotels, dislike annual fees, and want simple travel rewards, this card probably fits you well. If you mainly chase luxury travel perks, airport lounges, or premium airline benefits, there are stronger options available. That's the easiest way to decide. Now, one final thing people underestimate is consistency. A simple reward system that you actually use every week usually outperforms complicated travel strategies that become exhausting. And the Wyndham Earner card works because it's simple. Spend normally. Earn points steadily. Redeem strategically. That's it. So here's the bottom line. The Wyndham Earner card is absolutely worth considering in 2026 for the right type of traveler. Its no annual fee structure removes pressure while still offering useful rewards, platinum status, and strong earning categories for everyday spending. It's not a luxury travel card. It's a practical travel card. And for millions of travelers, that's actually more useful. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite no annual fee travel card right now. And if you want, I can also break down whether the Wyndham Earner Plus card gives enough extra value to justify upgrading.